Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we talked last week, I believe, about changes to the Windows Insider program, where it's going to be kind of simplified, but still a little complex, honestly. So I got a few questions from some viewers that were wondering exactly when this will take effect and how it's going to work if you're on a different builds of the Windows Insider program. So the way it works is, first of all, this is not going to happen within the next couple of weeks. From all accounts, it will take several months and might not happen before at least July or August, before all of the Windows Insider builds are moved to those new channels that they've talked about. So basically, Canary and Dev will move to the experimental channel, and the beta will remain in what is beta, and release preview will remain release preview. Um, what will change mostly in the beta is that these features that are controlled releases, that famous some have features and some don't, that will be removed. And the features that you will have, they will be there. If there's something new to show, everybody will have it. And this is a welcome change, honestly. In the experimental channel, what's going to happen is that mostly what you'll see there is future Windows. So this is going to be things they're going to try that might not make it to the mainstream, and that will be for the experimental channels. The beta channel, this will be features coming soon, and that will be tested. And of course, like I said, no more controlled releases. It will be there, and that's it. And that is a welcome change again. So you'll be able to test everything. Like, insiders, that's what they want. They want to test the new features. They don't want to have, oh, well, you got it and I don't. It's dumb. So that is a nice thing to have. And of course, release preview will stay pretty much what it is now, which is testing the updates for, the update preview, for example, and before they are officially released. One of the things that is also interesting about the Windows Insider program there is, hopefully they will take more care to the feedback and to the problems that people see, because that has been one of the biggest complaints. Is so many times there were problems with Windows updates that were seen several weeks, if not months, before the official release. So that is also something that's interesting. The features will be, you'll be able to turn them on or off. So when we get there, the Windows Insider page will have a new section where you'll be able to turn on or off new features as you wish. If they're causing issues or anything, can turn it off. And this is great. You won't need to have those Vive tools and complicated commands to turn on something. It's going to be here with sliders. You'll have the ability to turn them on or off. And so this is going to come this summer. It's not happening right now. They need time to move. What you have to do? Absolutely nothing. If you want to be in the experimental channel, you're in the Canary or on the Dev, you'll be in the experimental channel automatically without you doing anything. The beta, the changes will happen without you doing anything. And last but not least, finally, you'll be able to move on to whatever channel you want, even get out of the Windows Insider program, and no more will you have to reinstall Windows. Now, you'll just move on to whatever channel or just get out, and that's it. Once you restart, there's going to be some changes done, and once you restart, you'll be at whatever place you'd want to be. This is also a welcome change because people felt kind of trapped in the Insider program. So I would say it prevented some users probably from going there because they said, well, if I don't like it, I can't get out unless I reinstall, and I don't really want to do that. So nice changes, actually. It's still maybe a little complex, but it's way better than what we have now, where we have no idea what we're doing. So that's coming more into the July or August time frame. So still a few months before the changes appear. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.